Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to explain how to add users at the company level in SuperConstruct. There are two ways to add users at the company level. The first method is by using the User Profile menu. Click on the profile icon available at the top right corner after logging in. Now click on My Organization. On the resulting page, switch to the Team tab. Here, you will see the list of all existing users in your company. To add a new user, click on the Add Member button. Enter the user's email address, first name, and last name. After entering the details, click on Send Invitation. An invitation email will be sent to the user. Now, let's look at the second method. Click on the Companies tab from the left side navigation bar. Select your company, then navigate to any project. Go to the Users module and click on Add Member. Now switch to the Add from Company tab and click on Add User to Company. You will be redirected to the same team page, where you can add a new user as shown earlier. This is how you can add users at the company level in SuperConstruct.